Hey guys, welcome back to Fiber Laser Training. So today we're going to be recreating the Viking coin I did on EasyCAD, but this time on Lightburn. So let's get straight to it.
Hey guys, it's Jeff with Fiber Laser Training. Got my sidekick Noah here. As he just mentioned, that we're going to recreate the Viking skull coin that he made in EasyCAD 2, which is downloadable for free on our website. And he's going to recreate it today in Lightburn. So I've had numerous people ask me for this coin in Lightburn, and because we did it in EasyCAD, you can only export as an EasyCAD file. Lightburn does not recognize EasyCAD files, at least not yet. I can't wait till they find that little trick out. That'd be pretty sweet, wouldn't it?
Would.
So I'm gonna do some of the heavy lifting here real quick, and we're gonna control import off of our desktop here. And we want the Viking skull. Nice. And then we want that Norse ring. Alright, and the Norse ring. That looks familiar, right?
It does.
That's what we did. So we're going to make these lines so it'll be easier to fill. I mean, easier to see, rather. I was reading the word fill. Okay. So we did this at about 40 millimeters, and this would have to be approximately, we'll say 30 millimeters. Okay, well, now you can take over.
All right.
So I'll help you walk through this because I know you're not super familiar with this. So you can take your fingers and kind of move it in and move this guy a little bit. So select the ring and hit P. All right, and now
Hit the Viking.
Yeah, hit the Viking. And drag him from the left. And we'll move him out of the way. And then so now you can hit Alt and O at the same time. That brings up your offset menu. And so we're going to offset outward. We're going to offset the outer shapes only. And we're not going to offset by 5 millimeters. So we'll just do 1. That looks good right there. And we're going to select resulting objects. And so that means whenever we offset it, that's what we got left. So we don't want the eyes in there.
Nope.
So we can do Control U and ungroup and then select the eyes and delete them. Remember, to the left. If you do it to the right, you have to have the whole thing in there. There you go. Delete that, yeah. All right, and so now select the outline. Remember, you have to do it from there you go. And now hit P. And so now start over here and select the coin and the outline. I don't think you have the outline selected. There we go. And now we can hit Control B, which brings up our Boolean Assist tool. And you can toggle through, and you can see right here that that's what we want. That's the first one, is our union. So hit OK. And then we select this guy and hit P.
That looks good.
And then we hit Shift Control I, selects all of it. Take that and turn that to fill. And well, would you just look at it?
It looks beautiful.
So that is the same coin that you made. And so now this coin will be available on our website to download for free in the DXF format. And you'll be able to take it right into Lightburn and laser that puppy. And this coin is actually the profile picture for the channel. One of our customers bought a coin and lasered it up. And we used his image. So, you got any questions about that?
I don't.
No. That was pretty good. So that's how to use the offset tool and the plastic tool is what EasyCAD calls it, where your trim, intersect, and weld functions are all in that Control B panel. So we can do Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. And so you can make this with that Control B function. You can make it do a couple of different things there. So that's the one we wanted right there though, right?
Yep.
So to select the inverse, we do Shift Control I and then hit P. So take that to fill. And that is your Viking coin that you did. And of course, if we wanted to invert it, same rules apply. We could just take a circle, and actually in Lightburn, if you hit Shift while you're making your circle, it will stay a circle. It will not become ellipsed.
That looks good.
There you go. And now it inverted it. So then there's the opposite. What was engraved now is not engraved, and what is not engraved is now engraved. So that would be kind of the definition of inverted, right?
Yep.
You like my shirt?
I do like it.
Yeah, that's the new shirt I told you I was going to wear on our next video. So, any questions though? You think you're good with that?
Do you have any questions?
I have lots of questions always, generally, but probably far too much to discuss in our little bit of time we have tonight. So we'll put this on our website. You can download it. Get yourself a
Coin.
nice shiny coin.
Amazing.
Like I said, all of our coupon codes from previous videos are still good. You can go get you a sweet shirt from the Data DIY website. And other than that, I guess you know what time it is.
I do know what time it is.
That's right.
Dad jokes.
Yeah, that's right. Without further ado, dad jokes. Dad jokes. I got a good one.
Right.
Can I go this time?
You can go again.
All right.
You can go again.
When does a joke become a dad joke?
When?
When he's all grown up with jokes of his own.
Oh, man.
Little jokes running around everywhere. Yeah, little jokes like you and your brother. Oh! Just put, cut. I was kidding. I'm just kidding. So thanks for, oh, don't look so mean. Thanks for watching. Go get Noah's coin. We want to see how many times it gets downloaded. The EasyCAD coin has been downloaded
So many times.
well over 2,000 times, I believe, which is a lot, but that's a drop in the bucket for how many laser engravers are out there. So we're going to see how many times this DXF gets downloaded, because you can use this in all kinds of stuff, plasma cutters and CNCs and well, anything that you can utilize a DXF with. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And we are going to do another video in Lightburn, try to catch up a little bit from all the EasyCAD videos we did. And then moving forward, we'll kind of keep it going.
Yeah, mix it up a little bit.
Mix it up, yeah. Keep them going back and forth. So keep you coming if you're still an EasyCAD diehard fan, then we'll have some content for you. And if we've switched over to Lightburn or just getting started with Lightburn, then hopefully we'll get steered you in the right direction then.
Oh yeah.
So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Fiber Laser Training. And go check out our TikTok too. We got a TikTok at Fiber Laser Training also. So see you next time. Be safe.